Well, we made it! This is awesome! See if there's like a easy way to kind of get across without having to go for a swim. Okay, good morning, everybody. We are all awake. Uh-oh. Dana had big stain. Take two. Okay, good morning, everybody. This is day 3 today, still near the town of Chetwynd. Today, we're heading to Tumbler Ridge to go check out this awesome dinosaur museum to continue our dinosaur expedition. And then afterwards, we're gonna go check out a couple waterfalls on the way back. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be a 3-hour drive just to get to Tumbler Ridge from here. So we're gonna get going. And yeah, thumbs up. So like I said before, we're currently in Chetwynd BC. Our plan today is to drive down to Tumbler Ridge to check out that museum, and then we're gonna go see some waterfalls that are in the Tumbler Ridge area. Okay, so now that we're in the car and we punched in the directions, it's not actually 3 hours away like Dana wrote in her book. It is only 1 hour away. Don't know how that happened, but we planned for this to be a 3-hour drive and it is now a 1-hour drive. So that's okay, we got more time. Alright guys, so we're in the town of Chetwynd BC, and this is actually pretty cool. We were driving through town and we started noticing all these big wooden statues, and they have them all over town, and they're super intricately detailed, and some of them are really cool. I think I saw like Chewbacca, and I saw Predator from Alien vs. Predator, or they have all sorts of cool stuff here in the street, so let's check it out. So we got a upside down bear here, giraffe. That giraffe is not having a good time. We have arrived, Tumbler Ridge, dinosaur capital of BC. Yeah, this is the museum. It looks like a school. The building is actually an old school repurposed to become a museum. So yeah, let's go inside, let's check it out. Oh, cool. So according to the person that worked here, you need to have 80% of the skeleton in order to qualify it being the complete dinosaur, and that's what they have going on here. Check it out. As we went through the different exhibits, we saw a fossilized footprint that looked pretty similar to the one that we saw yesterday over at Gething Creek. We showed the employee working at the museum footage and photos of the footprint that we saw there, and they confirmed for us that it is very likely a close relative to Tyrannosaurus Rex. And I think that's pretty cool. Here's a fun fact about Tyrannosaurus. The term Tyrannosaurus actually represents an entire genus of theropod dinosaurs. There are many different species of Tyrannosaurus, with Tyrannosaurus Rex being the most popular. Okay, so we're here at Flatbed Creek, doing a bit of a hike. Shouldn't be that long. I think it's only like 3 kilometers round trip. But this is one of the first sites in BC where they discovered dinosaur fossils and footprints and whatnot. So there's supposed to be a bunch of footprints here that we can see. Let's go check it out.
The second dinosaur bone to ever be found in BC was discovered right alongside the Ankylosaur trackway seen on this trail.
Cool. Pretty much how all of my home projects end up.
Oh my god.
something like this, I think. Alright, I think we have arrived. Woo! Yes, this is the Flatbed Creek Dinosaur Footprint Site. think these are probably something. Maybe. Okay, so we've come to this creek and there's dinosaur tracks on the other side of it. And we're just trying to see if there's like an easy way to kind of get across without having to go for a swim. So this site is the first initial discovery site of dinosaur tracks in Tumbler Ridge. So there's actually some kids that found it. I guess they were like camping or something with their dad, and they saw what they thought could be some sort of tracks, and it turns out they were dinosaur tracks, and they're the first ones to be discovered here in Tumbler Ridge. Yeah, that was quite a while ago. The tracks aren't as prominent now, but you can still see them if there's a way to get up close, which is what we're going to try to figure out.
Teamwork, teamwork. They made it!
Okay, so yeah, we made it to the other side of the river. That was pretty fun. I'm sure you'll see how funny it was. I got Marissa to film it for us. So we're on the other side. Now let's finally try to look for these actual initial discovery dinosaur tracks. It's supposed to be somewhere on the bedrock here. There's one here, and then here, and then here. Look at this! This ant's carrying this. Oh my god! Look at it!
He's like
It's too, yeah, like it's flipped over and the ant can't do it. I believe in you, buddy. You can do this. Hello and welcome to my documentary about perseverance and willpower, starring this ant. Look at him. Look how hard he wants to take this bee home with him. Okay, good luck, little buddy. Alright, so we're back in the car. So, those dinosaur tracks were pretty cool, I guess. They were okay. Not as cool as yesterday, just because yesterday's there wasn't like a marked trail saying like, oh, here are the dinosaur tracks, and that's what today was. So like today was kind of felt a lot more touristy and whatnot, and the tracks weren't anywhere near as cool. Like we didn't see a T-Rex track like we did yesterday. So yeah, I'd recommend the one that we went to yesterday over the one today. Even though if you're in Tumbler Ridge, go to this one anyway, just because it's like right next to town. So now we're heading to our next site, which is a waterfall, and it's called Quality Falls, and it's only 5 minutes or so from the hike that we were just at. Let's go. All right, we are here at Quality Falls Trail. Oh, that's cool. Hey, that's your jam. Marissa's jam is plants. Super lady. Okay, we're back, and it's lunchtime, and today's lunch is simple, just things with hummus. Oh, and pepperoni.
Hey, pepperoni with hummus apparently tastes pretty good.
Oh yeah, Marissa started some trend of dipping the pepperoni in the hummus. Apparently it's great.
It's good, this garlic.
Yeah, oh yeah, garlic hummus. Get garlic hummus. Alright, next we are going to Kinuseo Falls. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct.
Well, it might not be an hour.
We're about to go 50 kilometers down a Forest Service road.
All right.
Yeah, looks like a water slide, said Dana. Alright, so we are here at Kinuseo Falls. We're not sure how to pronounce it. My guess is Kinuseo, but it could be totally wrong. It's not really much of a long hike or anything.
There are people down there. It might be this.
So to get to the waterfall, the bottom of the waterfall, we have to scale down all this. Pretty steep. Let's go. Look at that. Well, we made it! This is awesome! It's not often you get to hang out by something like this. It's amazing.
Okay, so that was really cool. That waterfall was probably the highlight of our day. So definitely go check that one out. It was the we don't know. It's something